And our parents we yaba.
Yeah. In some near be
of course.
And then we'll dig deeper into some of them, especially England for call up in Sensemno. And now you beti and any kakran.
Yeah, and your bread.
We'll look deep into it because I know, say, yet for be don't understand the reasons why Thomas Tuchel and making certain decisions be. And it's very important, say, to me, breaking it down.
Okay.
Senebeya ubi abetias ye reasons why players like Harry Maguire betinefie, Cole Palmer betinefie, right Phil Foden onusu betinefie, players like Jarrod Bowen mu betinefie, Adam Watson mu nyina betinefie. It is very controversial. In fact, nobody can take that away from a Thomas Tuchel a call up now. But Gabi, first off, I want to use this platform to congratulate the champions of England.
Officially. Okay.
On say that was after Tuesday match. No.
Yeah.
I've not been able to congratulate them officially.
Yeah, of course.
And on say the perception around my analysis most of the time and say me pay Arsenal for them. Which I have come to state so many times say enya no cre. Arsenal fans are mutie me amoshe me Nhyira TV. I am not an anti-Arsenal fan. I told you I'm be analysis. Ebia de meaning who say ebesi wo match no. And no huna me ba beka ho asem.
Yeah.
So when I do that analysis and it looks like I'm predicting against Arsenal, and no nche say me mpe Arsenal na say me mpa Arteta.
Okay.
As a football analyst, as a football fan, as a Chelsea fan, no, also there's that perception say because
once I Chelsea,
no there you are against Arsenal. In fact, me bra Penny Selassie. Or you're a strong Arsenal fan.
You can't say manager bano. General manager ba.
And now
okay. So okay, Azako akwesi wa.
Aye. So what you say?
Azako akwesi wa.
What you say? Me feel what you say. Correct one. Me bra Penny. Oh you Arsenal fan true and true. Mr. Santos on. Me chaso on argument. Otimi catch me say oh yeah Chelsea for it me ton players ma Arsenal for mo ba no nyade. Hwe keeper mo hwe eyimu so many players
no ni Madueke
mo
yeto eyisu esande mo Jaginho mo ni
Jaginho mo in the past David Luiz mo so mo ba manya hwe
William nyina akoe
manya hwe. And I am very happy today say Arsenal have won because on say there was this particular season 2011-2012 and that season so be kaya Arsenal lost to Manchester United 8-2. And that game, no, I remember that game so well, Gabi. In fact, Sadano, me brapping Ocean Arsenal jersey with the expectations say on that day, Arsenal were going to win. And it didn't happen that way for them. And after that time, when you look at how they have moved through the Arsene Wenger period, the players they lost, and for the reasons of say, no, we need title, no. So many players wanted glory, Van Persie. Oh, free Arsenal call Manchester United now no really Premiership. And there are so many other examples I can give. But look at when Arteta came in. Look at the work Arteta has done at Arsenal. 6 years. And on the last 6 years, no, building a team that he felt could really help him to really do something special. So when I watch Mikel Arteta and I watch this Arsenal team, and I watch the fact say throughout the whole season, they had a couple of issues. Now we can say, oh, at this stage they won't win English Premier League. No, go look at that game against Bournemouth. You are playing at home, and everybody expected say Bournemouth Arsenal will win this game against Bournemouth, and then they threw it away. Look at some of the big moments. Ananka Obianim say Arsenal sa game ready also team winning. They couldn't win, but still, because of the fact say Arteta had built the team successfully throughout the years, gone through all the cycles. Players be what say Lacazette say. Lacazette Munina at a point were very disruptive players in the dressing room. Look at players like Aubameyang. And when you look at Arsenal through that time till this point, Arteta it's me building team now. See, on what G League now. It is very important that you're born abaso. Because now, no, the tone has been set for him to dominate in the English Premier League. Because Pep Guardiola is also leaving. And once Guardiola leaves the stage, the atmosphere in the Premier League has been created for him to dominate. And San Bona or Bono, relying on set pieces, most of the goals that he's scoring. Gabi, expect more of that next season.
Okay.
Because it has become a part of his winning formula. And once a coach manages to find a winning formula, don't take that coach for granted. My refuse to say, Arteta is a disciple of Pep Guardiola. And we all know the kind of teams that Pep Guardiola's disciples are handling now. In fact, on one case, the disciple, Enzo Maresca, and Ebabeji Man City Ejumano. So, next season, we are going to see the dominance of Pep Guardiola's disciples in the English Premier League. Menkase Man City or back into, it's going to be very difficult. In fact, I'll get to Pep Guardiola. But Enzo Maresca taking over from Pep Guardiola, it is difficult to think about, say, once Enzo Maresca comes in, directly it means Man City is going to start winning. But the mere fact that Enzo Maresca, Mikel Arteta, both of which are disciples of Pep Guardiola, are going to be in charge of these two top teams from next season going. I will say maybe.
Okay.
Now, Gabi, the season has ended. In fact, after this week's result, no, Arsenal 82. Of course, coronation ever happened was Selhurst Park on the last game Obeko away, and already some match now Obenya 85. So at least they would have finished the season 5 points shy of 90 points.
Yeah.
Almost 3 points now. They will say more account. Because there were so many chances in the season where they could have won certain games. They either drew or they lost them. Against Bournemouth, they could have won that game at home, but they lost it. But I think 85 points, it's not bad. It's not bad. Because Man City on 78, on one celebration the performance and compared to last season and say they haven't done so well. In fact, this particular season, compared to the previous seasons, in terms of the points gap, you realize that last season, that points was so same this season. So, in terms of performance, most of the top sides have dipped in form in terms of the points gained. But Arsenal will be happy because that one doesn't really count. So they are not going to be so concerned about that. But the major point of concern is Asieho. Mm-hmm. Now the pressure, no, more better West Ham United. So, and when you look at West Ham United and the Tottenham Hotspur situation, these are two very traditional Premier League teams. In fact, look at Omu stadiums. West Ham at the London Stadium, Tottenham Hotspur at the newly built Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, over 60,000 capacity, almost spending over £1 billion to build that stadium. It is very hard to see two traditional teams battling for relegation like nobody's business. And West Ham, no, because of the result against Arsenal last weekend, no, now things are more difficult for them because Osha drop zone now. It is just 2 points that separates them from Tottenham Hotspur. And I'm thinking about it, say, how does West Ham, right, manage to score Leeds United, inform Leeds United over this weekend? How? It looks as if, say, task near more difficult for West Ham than Tottenham Hotspur. Sana mihunu. Because Tottenham Hotspur need Everton in Subebo. But Tottenham is at home. Omotimi everything possible to get a draw. At least it will give them a point to increase that 2 to 3 points. With the expectation, say, West Ham would lose at home to Leeds United. But West Ham is also at the London Stadium. So they also have to do everything possible to rally their fans to help them to win that game against Leeds United. But Gabi, this is my prediction. West Ham at the London Stadium. And when I see the performance of Arsenal, when I watch that performance against Arsenal, and they can replicate that same performance against Leeds United, but be a little bit clinical, I think they can get a draw from this game. A bedding, because Leeds United is also coming in with a mentality say, I want to win my game. I am safe. In fact, on a non-core relegation, on no way safe. But expect a very difficult contest. And yes, they are West Ham Tifie into Wabeshe, and no, it won't be like that. But if they play the same way they played against Arsenal, I can guarantee you that they could get a point, and that point will be very crucial for them.
But, okay, so my young one coming and can for no emerge media. So what so I feel the way tune here ha I sure 1045 FM and afia sempa 947 I sure power sports so the weekend edition and the guswa ye de da wonti o comment no so betimi e de akọ YouTube e de sure TV na yetima kenkan e de amantin kan for nyina no ye mama kwa ba na ye to aso.
Yes, enti the other game is Spurs ni Everton. Like this game, me huni ye crown. Roberto Di Zerbi ejuma obeji ya no. I think because of the expectation on him now, and the fact that Tottenham Hotspur are 2 points away from the drop zone, I think the mentality and the focus going into this game a bit different, kakra. Because no Di Zerbi knows. So once he drops the ball in this game, it is very difficult to see how Tottenham Hotspur will survive relegation should West Ham win their game at home against Leeds United.
Sir, West Ham United are we near? Womo ebeko 39.
If West Ham win,
West Ham win near 39.
Yes.
Na sir, if sir what the emphasis say near man kuyi,
yeah,
am for my Tottenham so about draw 39.
Yes.
So
it will be decided on goal difference.
Then Tottenham Hotspur became.
Yes. I think we are looking at the worst case scenario.
Yeah, worst case scenario, yeah.
Yes. Which is why Roberto Di Zerbi needs to win to seal the deal.
Okay,
just kill the game.
Okay.
I know the opponents know very tricky. David Moyes, you have seen what he has done this season. Look at the game against Man City. 3-3. Nobody expected that game to be played 3-3. But this time around, Tottenham was Tifie, and I will welcome Everton. And this is the final game of the season. Gabi, game bien hobby. This is the finals of finals. Game bien hobby. Into one per one sema, ejuma obiji. You know the kind of pressure that will come on you if Tottenham must go on relegation. He knows it. And when you look at Tottenham, London, the impact that they have had on the local community after we see stadium now, it is going to be very disastrous for them to go on relegation. Very, very, very disastrous, Gabi. Into Ubi Samia, I would have wanted Tottenham to stay.
Okay.
Some catch on that I say it's very difficult because both teams are landing clubs. Both of them are landing clubs. West Ham.
Is it this week? Yana landing Mayo can.
Yeah.
No, Casas West Ham United call relegation now. About 1.2 billion pounds. And on back here season be. I know your West Ham United.
No.
Yes.
Let's go even look at Tottenham Hotspur. It's a different matter altogether. Because transformation came after they built the stadium.
Okay.
And after building that stadium, the investment community amount for money yeah. And the fact that Udi Sanima winina Ecobo championship. Gabi, I want Tottenham Hotspur to stay.
Okay. Because
I think when you compare both teams, they have something to offer the Premier League more than West Ham United. West Ham United, and so they have themselves to blame because of how the season has gone for them. Mid-season, Omokofa, Nuno Espirito Santo, Ebaye. And to me, I thought that was going to be a very difficult task for him because he was sacked at Nottingham Forest and straight into Sir Ejumano. It is not easy to settle in. I always say, Pereira, Oko, Nottingham Forest, why Ejumapa? Because almost some coaches 4 times this season. But when I look at Nuno Espirito Santo, it was very difficult to see how he would have survived. It's a Gabi media will be Samia. I think I want Tottenham Hotspur to win and stay.
Okay.
Or even they should get a point. Now Mboamo to stay. But of course, we will see Man City in action against Aston Villa. And I mean, this will be Pep Guardiola's last game in charge. And I expect that they will win it to honor Papano ne legacy. Odija Omo Manchester City Krumuho won 20 titles in 10 years. Very significant things that he has done over there. And I expect Man City to do the do against Aston Villa. Then we have Crystal Palace, the big game. That was Selhurst Park. And Arsenal renew. When renew. Crystal Palace send a 10-0. Nyana Sem. Obejina Adie is in the nice so. And Crystal Palace, of course, will give them the guard of honor. In the answer match never starting. You will see the Palace players line up and they will welcome Arsenal players. And also, Gabi, in terms of the conversation, and then I mean, you'll be doing commercial and I say, on the last day of the season, the best thing is say, Ube raise a trophy at your own backyard. But we don't cost our heads back like Kopija one cast trophy. On say, nah, kakra.
One thing a woman you say, for a brand to say, yeah, a good feeling, the man.
Yes.
Good feeling.
Yes.
From a former club. Your boss is Yahweh.
Yeah.
Me Beffy.
Yes.
If you know me, I'm a god of honor. That's how they are, man.
We are Massa Pija trophy. In my home. I think it's a very beautiful.
Some sort of farewell and then coronation
exactly.
For
and to top it up all, Gabi. So Bekaya all sign yama Arsenal. There was a clause in the contract say Otimi we need Premier League no with Arsenal. Arsenal for bet 10 million pounds to. Then say the game ni the win-win situation.
Because yeah sika. 10 million. Money amumna. Mumpa the embassy be anya yasem. One league you see Arsenal situation here.
A very beautiful story.
Yeah.
And better for Eberechi Eze because coming back at home to raise the trophy and fraternize with the fans, to him there be a very nice feeling. And I think Arsenal, they have done well, like I've said earlier. I said this season dear. I was here the mom.
Okay.
Come on, break. Got me 22 years. And through those 22 years, almost so far, people have teased them, laughed at them, said they're incompetent. We need Arteta on your shade. Now, Arteta has won for a year. Arsenal now, team of the season. This is very interesting because Michel Muna ase Edimbi Woma. It wasn't so familiar, but I thought, say, indeed, when you look at overall, generally, the players are Hana. It is quite understandable, and I think the standout performer for me, Bruno Fernandes, but of course Declan Rice or Szoboszlai, and so we'll look at the front three of Ryan Cherki, Erling Haaland, and then Jeremy Doku. One would have said, why is Semenyo not here? I also agree. Say, in fact, people are saying Semenyo should be here, but I mean, generally overall, a cabeding, say, year season no throughout, you would have gone for a year Semenyo over Doku. It's quite tricky and it's debatable.
Okay.
Because on say Semenyo played Bournemouth and moved to Man City. And we saw a semblance of the performance.
Good season when
you understand.
Offer way
good.
Even offer Bournemouth Nkwa, Obetima as a good season.
Yeah.
Offer City so per the matches so
any
input and
of course the impact.
Yes, very solid.
Yes. So I mean, one would have said at least if you had put Semenyo ahead of Doku, but then when I look at this, it is also something like always I'll say it's debatable.
Okay.
It's debatable. But I think the conversation for player of the season, no, and amount for AD Hunkomo, you say Declan Rice, Bruno Fernandes, I would have given it to Bruno Fernandes. Because Gabi, I know said Declan Rice has also impacted this Arsenal team massively. But look at Bruno Fernandes consistently. And now in the Premier League records, he is third for the most assists in a single season. And look at Manchester United. No more film this season. Look at how they suffered. And that will be Namorim. Emma Michael Carrick Beji Jumano. right? And still, he kept on. So he has managed to prove that he is consistent through the Amorim period, right through the Carrick period. And I think that, to me, he deserves the player of the season for the English Premier League this season. Yes, indeed, Pep Guardiola, when the news came, that was it was confirmed, said he's leaving Manchester City at Jumano. He will really, really be missed. Now, and now, may share online now, I'm in baby. Nebana your friend Maria Guardiola. Obe posted a picture be. And she was essentially trying to depict the kind of passion and papa wo for a Jumana or you know. And yet here for Unsunim say Pep Guardiola, one of his biggest icons, Johan Cruyff, the legendary Johan Cruyff, Netherlands international, Obeji, Barcelona Juma, in fact he also played Barcelona at some point. Now Maria Guardiola, X-ray, the mirror of Guardiola ni demo, and the kind of things about throw, ego mirror no so, debia, it serves as a reminder to him about the kind of passion that he needs to keep up for a Jumana or you know. And I thought that this was very significant because, Gabi, when you want to summarize Guardiola, his life at Manchester City now, you can tell for a fact, say, if you don't have a manager who is so passionate about Ejumana Oyano and the kind of results that he needs to grind every weekend, you will not really get the best out of himself. You will not get the best out of himself. You will not get the best out of the team. But if a coach can write quotes on his mirror, the quote is in front of him, or and he's going to the training ground, he's going to the stadium, these things are playing in his head constantly. That coach is a fearful coach. You have to fear that coach. You have to fear that coach, Gabi. And these are things that depicts to us the reason why Guardiola is Guardiola. Because everybody knows that he carries something special. No other coach has that thing. But it stems from the obsession or what for the game. And some obsession, Gabi. Me who be that? Me who be that? Which is the reason why Man City for a person honor into one of their stands. They want to name it the Pep Guardiola stand. I'm on Manchester City Stadium where, and I think it is deserving of a Pep Guardiola because of the work, the impact. Me see, and now video be. And people, they were asking people, drop your most memorable video of Guardiola. And there was one now, Oti Bencha, Obianti in Chayo, but Otutun in Sano or Kasa. And people were wondering, now because you are what a man. But it tells you, like I'm saying, the obsession and the passion. Obianti in Chayo. And what Kasa no Otutun in Sa.
Like football, no, Odi can't burn when the team. And you imagine how
massive obsession.
A core park and
yes.
What draw plans in when the team, the football in when the team, the tactical play, quite a fast or out play, new opponent,
yes.
Player possessing.
That's right.
Any ABI player woman a certain particular job.
Yes.
To say or man a certain particular
job on the flank.
Dina say for mommy.
Yes.
They are not they can okay from the flanks. Car okwa. Oba ya overlapping and say. For the Unyang na say na mazo hede
good
indi ojinawa like nitin I never be
and you see one person would have said say could this be the reason why Nawari Ankoyi, of course I don't know the reasons why he had to divorce, but Gabi
I focus on what Jumana so Bibia. Could
you imagine say you are so focused on your football that you lose your marriage?
Yeah,
I should tell you something. The guy is so obsessed with football. He eats football, he drinks football, or that crowd football. To the extent that he talks with ghosts about football.
Like crowd, the aunties be obey.
And in fact, he will go down as one of the most brilliant managers of all time. And you look at the time he spent as manager. 9 years, 325 days. It's essentially 10 years. longest serving manager at this point in the Premier League. In the Pep Guardiola, no, I think he will do so well when he leaves. I'm sure Sobekwa Koji sabbatical leave, you know, Akodani baby. Now we're doing who, but Enzo Maresca definitely Ebebabe G. Jumano. And yes, I know, say, once the new season begins, Man City fans will be I'll remember it's here, they'll share on matches, you know. They will look at the touchline and they'll begin to miss Guardiola. But they should expect something very similar to what he has done in Enzo Maresca. Because the kind of imprint that he left at Chelsea, it gave everybody something to talk about when he was sacked from there. And I also believe, say, coming in, he may not dominate right from the start, but I will see a year. And I think that moving forward, maybe from next season going, you will see that no, this guy has stepped into the Man City job and he's doing it well. Michael Carrick in Sosa, I think as of now it has been declared officially, say he's permanent coach for Man United until 2028. And when they give you a short-term contract, Sana, in my eyes, it looks like they want to assess him, right? In the 2 years, no, boy, say, long term. After that 2028, no, we will sign you on for long. Into next season, very crucial for Carrick.
But I think, sir, a bit Manchester United is suyi.
Okay.
Reasons are make us I say. And then you have Pep Guardiola din.
Yeah.
But Pep Bubaye, Yenim City Council and near more demano. And they come Manchester City.
Yeah.
You can't say.
Sporting directors,
no. Yeah. They were willing
to help him.
Some
Yeah.
It is a Manchester United say, Akoba say Sir Jim Ratcliffe near mana. Recently was here, and we cry the boy a day, and we cry Manchester person best spend it. Yeah, Akoba say don't be hammer.
Yeah. I also agree with you because on say Amorim no, they help him. Omuto Mbuemo man, Omuto Matthias Cunha man, Omuto Benjamin Sesko man, but he wasn't able to get the team together.
Yeah.
Because he decided that he was going to be stubborn about certain things. But when you look at Michael Carrick say now, AB Onozubeka say, I want certain players to come in and help. Because this is Man United, or about English Premier League, or about FA Cup, or about Champions League. So there will be overload of games.
Sambo EFL,
EFL like home. Oh, and the other one is 4 competitions. Open players, and with that, no. Ebia or one kasa who play a beer or because a move away and for mommy.
Emma Titia Dodo Kamavinga, Matia Damwate.
Yes, and there's Sandro Tonali from Newcastle. You see, so a lot will depend on the transfers that they will do for him, and whether they will give him the name, sir, or no expect to say Omumbe Bois or Man United. And so that's a very good point that you raised, and I believe that Obeye Jumano. Just that when the games are overload, the games don't ever do so. Be a pressure kakrabeba no so. But the Man United for Nyanwa Mutrea, Gabi, I can tell you for a fact that Michael Carrick, he will do a good job.
But one thing is Manchester prepared their mind.
Yeah.
For their 2 Chelsea recently.
Of course.
Enzo Maresca say perfect result.
Yeah.
Do baby now for their match sign.
Yeah.
Reality the set you know.
Yeah.
Manchester go out for long in the Champions League.
Yeah.
I feel now bounce back.
Yeah.
I feel now Manchester Babylon number of huge matches.
Good.
Out to me say Bema players now are very tight,
very tight.
and very tired.
Yeah.
Omunano mu bebre.
Yeah.
And these Manchester are really no could baby on Macassi and Pam Carrick.
Yeah.
Because results in the best Santiago.
Yeah. On say that has been the dynamic these days in football. On say fans no and analysts no sometimes they nyabute managers title fans no. They nyabute managers no. So there are times where ABR there's something going on. ABR internally no there's an issue that they are trying to solve. You as a fan on the outside only different. And so what do you say? Onya dia na yem pamono. But that's not the way to go. So there are things that we will hear in the news. And what's it to me? Edwin 2-2. Anthony Akase Yampam Michael Carrick.
Okay.
Because that may not be the situation, but it's true. What you said is true. Next season, Ombe to can be brave. Players know a problem. They will get tired. All of these factors come into play. It's a Wasama United fans that they Enya Abutema Carrick. This thing will keep on saying it.
Yeah.
Because as a fan base, one of the biggest things you can give to a manager to help the manager to gain confidence is trust and patience. When you have confidence, you will not get the best out of the manager.
Okay.
Right? And I think, say, Michael Carrick, no, that's it with him. We wish him all the best. But Gabi, quickly, Coupe de France, Enra, RC Long, Ejisi Omonai, so Abra share OGC needs by 3-1. And I think this will be their first major trophy in a number of years. When you look at this season crying the league, no, not only PSG, Konyaba until PSG managed to run away with
a pay off the bomb because
yes.
This is no my solid
football.
Because mad between many PSG now. League, you know, league,
So I think they have done so well. And when you look at our manager, Saj, he has built a very good team. I think to also say next season they will do better in the Champions League, and I think they could surprise a lot of people. RC Lon team way. Now we also have a German Cup final also.
DFB Pokal
between Bayern Munich and then VfB Stuttgart. I think everybody is expecting Bayern Munich to win. Not only domestic double this season after they won the Bundesliga. Now, Gabi, there are so many games that will come up in the Spanish La Liga. In fact, Barcelona, GS, so in fact, this is the whole season they didn't lose at home. It's a more equally recorder. Real Madrid is set here in 1986. Or Abraham called the whole season they didn't lose at home. Barcelona have done same. But so many other matches coming up League. Now let's look quickly at Thomas Tuchel. Okay. And now you say Abra Thomas Tuchel G Ejumawi. He himself would have known that that's the most difficult job that he has taken. He knew it. Emma daily me ofokra ebe blame FA no. Eka say the FA are running like headless chickens, looking to quickly appoint Thomas Tuchel before Manchester United would have gone for him. The backlash already had started. Because England no offer German coach. What does it tell you? It says a lot about what you are trying to achieve. And Gabi, I think the controversies will continue. Because when you have a pragmatic coach like Thomas Tuchel, you should always be ready for surprises. After the squad, so many people are shouting, why? Why would Thomas Tuchel assemble a squad and Phil Foden is not there, Cole Palmer is not there, Harry Maguire is not there, and yet there's something going on? Let's breaking it down. First one, in 26 players now were selected here. He has called at least a number of players that we didn't expect to be there and made at least 4 typical omissions. Now, we expected all those players should be part of the team. And it is very important, say, because somebody doesn't really understand what's going on.
Okay.
Harry Kane is one of the top players in this English team. And Ocean a number of times about England national team. Now that's 112. 112. And this season alone, Harry Kane has 58 goals. When you look at the number of teams that are represented in the England squad for this particular World Cup now, 8. Arsenal with 4 players, Newcastle and Man City also with 4 players each. And for the first time since 1986 World Cup, there's no Liverpool player in the England national team. For the first time since 1986, there's no Liverpool player in the England national team. Now look at their qualifying record, 100%. Average squad age, 24 years. And in terms of favorites to win the trophy at the World Cup, Omodasu third, behind Spain and France. So there's a lot of pressure with this particular job at this particular time. Now, Gabi, fast. Let's look at players now. Cole Palmer, this season for Chelsea, right? He has played 31 times for the English national team, but he has played only 9 times. He has scored only 9 times this season for Chelsea, with 1 assist. The main reason why Thomas Tuchel cast one Fanankono is because of the drop in form, and subsequently also about the fact say that number 10 role no so definitely they were going to be ahead of him. Sheffield Foden in Susa. Tactically, it looked like Phil Foden was not going to make the cut because Number 10 role no so many names over there. And in terms of the tactics now personal bono, it's going to be difficult for Phil Foden to play. Harry Maguire, and now share the response of his family members to the news. On also one funny year. Pep, in fact, Thomas Tuchel fancies somebody like John Stones ahead of Harry Maguire. And when you look at the reasons why, John Stones are a comfortable playing from the back, poor playing centre back. But Harry Maguire sometimes are a very jittery kakra. And I'm very, very, very sure those are one of the main reasons why he didn't go for a World Cup. No? Now let's look at Obi Morgan Gibbs White. You've seen his performance for Nottingham Forest this season. Why are they? He has played so well. But he also in that same number 10 role, overload of names. Ultimate Kobe. Look at Jarrod Bowen. Ball about ball for West Ham United this season. And also on Kobe. Then the biggest of it all, Trent. Trent, the end of the year, I've defended Thomas Tuchel by way the Mentias here. Because, Gabi, to send Jet Spence ahead of Arnold, when we all know, say Arnold, no, in terms of versatility, both high the pitch and low the pitch, he gives you so many options. And also one for Nanko. Or say it doesn't fit tactically in his setup. What is Thomas Tuchel trying to do? What is he trying to do? I've told you, and it was a catcher who say, or in the press conference, or Assembly, or say, he's prioritizing taking a team to the World Cup that is fixated on having a good culture at the tournament. Players who will not be selfish. Players who he knows and believes say, and the reason is because England in the past, they have had so many big names in their teams with very little impact. Look at 2002 Korea Japan under Sven-Göran Eriksson. They had big names, Beckham, Gerrard, Owen, Paul Scholes, they couldn't do anything. The same thing happened in 2006. And Rio Ferdinand, Michael Owen, David Beckham, Wayne Rooney, they went all the way to the quarterfinal and they got knocked out by Portugal. Fabio Capello Beji Ejuma 2010. And Pomoko drew round of 16. And a Germany show 4-1 Look at 2014 under Roy Hodgson and put the group stage exit totally abysmal.
Okay.
Then we did 2018 and Omoko do semi-final. And that was where we started seeing the changes. Gareth Southgate cast, okay, in this squad, I will prioritize some balance. Now, I brought team no, to go and perform at the World Cup. So we saw how they performed. Semi-final and they got kicked out by Croatia. Then in 2022, we saw how they got kicked out by France. Thomas Tuchel doesn't want to make the same mistake. Whereby team, no, or the Omoko World Cup, it is full of stars, but no impact. Which is why I was say Yetimitias say at this point, what he thinks will help the team is what he is doing.
Okay.
And Tigabi, by the time the World Cup starts, that is where we will know. Say experiment now okasa wo ye no. A farmer and I say amfa.
Okay.
Now Gabi say amfa.
I want to ask them no.
The way the English media be kill Thomas Tuchel no.
Just all to my young friends so na membrana mini Jude Bafo so and so na